Hello everyone. Welcome to Supernatural Species, where we discuss unbelievable natural species that exist right here on Earth. Today's episode is a special one because we have a guest on the show that will personally answer everyone's dying questions. Janet, please introduce yourself.
Hey guys, my name is Janet and I'm a tardigrade.
Thank you for being here today. And for everyone wondering how we can understand her, she is wearing a device that auto-translates her sentences into English for us. So, Janet, can you explain exactly what a tardigrade is?
Of course. Okay, so tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic animals no more than 1 millimeter in size. We have 8 legs with sharp claws and a body with a head shaped much like a bear. We have a thin layer of water around our bodies, which is how we intake oxygen and release carbon dioxide.
Right, and if I'm not mistaken, there's 1,300 species of tardigrades, and you have a very unique mouth. It's quite interesting.
Yes, you are correct. And our mouth has a buccopharyngeal apparatus. It helps us to retrieve the nutrients out of food. Some tardigrades are plant eaters, such as myself, while some are carnivores who feed from other microorganisms. The way that I eat is by sticking my stylets into the cells of plants and sucking out the nutrients.
Wow, super fascinating. Wait, so where do you typically live?
We live in a variety of places worldwide, typically somewhere wet, such as in damp moss, on flowering plants, in sand, in fresh water, and in the sea. Our preferred place to live are freshwater mosses. Tardigrades are extremophiles.
Ah, extremophiles. That's so cool. I find them so intriguing. Oh, and for those who don't know what an extremophile is, it's a microorganism that lives in extreme environments. Well, extreme compared to the environment that humans live in. These environments can be very acidic, hot, cold, or even salty.
Yes, exactly. And what makes tardigrades exciting is that we don't fit into only one type of extremophile. We can actually survive in a few different extreme conditions. The lowest temperature being negative 164 degrees Celsius and the hottest being 151 degrees Celsius. We are also the first animals to survive the vacuum, that means no air, radiation blast, and freezing temperatures of space.
That's insane!
Yeah. And in 2007, scientists sent tardigrades in a satellite to space where they survived radiation blasts 700 times stronger than the sun's rays on Earth.
Oh my god, how is that even possible for you to survive in those conditions?
Well, we have a protein called damage suppressor, and it protects our DNA from radiation. We also have CAHS proteins that transform our cells to hold the proteins and molecules together until they are rehydrated.
Ah, yeah, and I believe you guys have a special trick that allows you to deal with the extreme temperatures?
Yes. We go into anhydrobiosis. Basically, we dry out the water from our bodies and then curl up into a ball lifelessly.
Oh, yeah! And the crazy thing is that you can stay in this ball for decades until the temperature is not extreme anymore.
Yeah. Since we don't prefer the extreme conditions and can just survive in them, we wait till it passes so we can come out of the anhydrobiosis. Our preferred habitat, freshwater mosses, as I said earlier, has a relatively regular temperature.
It's interesting to think about how the moon has temperatures that tardigrades can survive, and they can also survive radiation. You guys also need water, and the moon has surface water. There could be a possibility of being able to transport life there.
Yeah, or even the fact that tardigrades exist on Earth with such qualities. It's possible for life existing on other worlds with other unique qualities that allow them to thrive in their environments. If tardigrades can exist with tolerance to such extreme temperatures, that opens up the possibilities of other undiscovered microorganisms with greater tolerances beyond Earth.
For sure. Ah, well, thank you so much for coming on the podcast. I'm sure we learned a lot about a new organism. Thanks everyone for listening. I hope you all found tardigrades to be as fascinating and supernatural as I did. Peace out, everyone.
Peace out!